My name is Bonnie Harvey, and these are just a few of my memories of the Malachi Gilmore Hall. I have many memories, but the one I want to tell you is how I brought my pet dog Twink to the movies. Saturday afternoon. I was probably about 14 at the time. And so I'm sitting in the hall, got the dog on my lap, coat over the dog. And it happened to be a cowboy movie. So the horses are galloping and the dog's barking, and it was rather a commotion. So Gladys Gladys Stacey was walking down the hall with the torch.
She's a terrifying woman.
Terrifying woman. Who's barking? Who's barking? So covered the dog up and held its nozzle, and that was rather amusing.